In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zap in Zapier using Google Sheets as the trigger and webhooks as the action. By the end, you'll have a clear path to link a spreadsheet change to an outgoing webhook call, perfect for sending data to another service or endpoint. First, head over to Zapier in your browser and sign in so you can build a workflow. From your dashboard, click Create, then select Zap to open a fresh automation. You'll see the blank Zap editor with two main parts, the trigger at the top and the action below. Let's start with the trigger, because this is what tells your automation when to run. Click on Trigger to choose the app that will kick things off. In the search bar, type Google Sheets, and then click on the Google Sheets app when it appears. Next, choose an event. This event is the exact change in your spreadsheet that will wake up the Zap. Common choices include new spreadsheet row, which fires when a new row is added, or new or updated spreadsheet row if you want changes to existing rows to count too. Pick the event that matches your scenario, then connect your Google account when prompted. Zapier will ask for permission to access your spreadsheet so it can watch for the event you selected. Grant access and you're set. After your trigger is in place, move on to the action. Click on Action to define what happens after your trigger fires. In the search bar, type Webhooks and click on Webhooks by Zapier. You'll be asked to choose an event again. Here, think about the kind of request you need to send. Post is the most common choice when you want to send data to another system, while Get retrieves information. You may also see PUT, Patch, Delete, or Custom Request if you need more control over headers and methods. Select the event that fits your endpoint's requirements. Next, connect the account if Zapier asks you to. Webhooks by Zapier often doesn't require a separate account because it sends requests directly to a URL, but if your chosen setup involves authentication, follow the on-screen prompts to add credentials securely. From there, you can map fields from your Google Sheets trigger into the webhook payload, making sure the receiving service gets exactly the data it expects. Take a moment to confirm the URL, method, and content type, match your destination's documentation, and you're ready to move forward with your automation.